Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Mobile Web Secrets. My name is Chris with the K, and today we'll be talking about how do you create page templates on ClickFunnels. So as a funnel designer, one of the things that we want to do, right, is to reduce our time required for us to design our pages. So one of the things that we do right, is to create like templated pages for each of the different categories within ClickFunnels. So right now what you see here, I'm inside ClickFunnels and there's like many different funnel steps, right? And right now, what I'll be showing you, it will be a simple way for you to create a templated page, right? That, of course, you need to do some initial designs. So right now, let me go to edit page. Okay. So this is my replacement page for the squeeze page, which I call it the micro commitment page. And then it's pretty much a very short headline that catches the audience attention, and then give them a little bit of like story, your typical hook story, and this is your offer, which is a call to action. So make it short and sweet, so that the main objective of this page is really to bring your traffic into this micro commitment mode and then move on to them to the next step inside your funnel. So in order for you to like for me, if I want to save this as a template so that I can use it over and over again, and each time, since this is not part of the ClickFunnels templates, right? So I'm going to go to settings, go to general, and in general you'll see this save page as template, and then you can give it a name. So right now, since I already saved it, I'm going to just show you. Maybe I'll just write it as, I already have the name for it. I'll give it micro commitment page 2, so that I know that this is a second template, for example. So once you save the template, you can see that in the page templates, your new page will actually appear, and I can even do a bit of preview and it will show me. So if I go back, and right now let me go back to ClickFunnels, and for example, maybe let me just take one of these homepage funnel that I downloaded from Funnel Builder Secrets. And yeah, so this is the homepage funnel. This is the first page, right? And I want to add a new step that is going to be a micro commitment step. Make a small commitment to hook your audience. This is a really long path. So I created steps, and once I create a step, it will usually be like an empty funnel step, right? For you to select a type of template that you want to add on, and you can see right now, right in the opt-in page, I'm going to see my mobile micro commitment page 2. So when I select this template, this will be loaded into the funnel step. So this will be similarly the same when you go into like your sales page or your webinars, your membership page, right? You can create all these different templates, right, that you can use so that they are ready for you to be, like, if you have your own way of doing all these different pages, you want to save them as templates for you to be used in your future designs. So I hope this will be a helpful tutorial for all of you. So if you like what I've shared here, remember to click on like button and give me a comment of like what are the different kind of videos that you want to see for ClickFunnels or any other videos related to mobile web secrets. And also it will help me a lot if you can click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so that you can receive notification for my next video. Thank you.